Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome, my name is Claire. I got a very different kind of unboxing to share with you. It's something completely new to my channel and something I'm really excited to open and share with you. There's a live plant subscription and this is Barry's Cactus Club. This is how it comes in the post. It's got my address on the back there. So if you're new to Barry's Cactus Club, I'll just give you a quick lowdown telling you all about it. But if you know everything there is to know about it, you will find a timestamp down below in the comments, so you're free to flick forward. So Barry's Cactus Club is a monthly subscription box for the plant obsessed. Now, I've been having a look online to see what type of unusual, different subscription boxes are out there. You might have seen some underwear ones I've done recently, and I really fancy doing some plant ones. So I came across this one because I have got a little obsession with little succulents and cactuses, so I thought I would subscribe to see what this box is like. This box is only available in the UK and it costs £15 a month, and that includes shipping. You can opt for a rolling monthly subscription and cancel any time, or they offer a 3 and 12 month subscription at a reduced cost. So for £15 a month you will receive either a succulent or a cactus, a unique pot, collector's cards with advice on how to look after your plant, and also some surprise extras as well. All links and everything related to this subscription I'll put down in my description. So underneath this video you'll see show more or a downward arrow. If you were to click that, that will bring up my description and all links and everything will be listed down there. So let's get on to open it up. This is how it arrives. Got a little collector's manual there. The little pot and plant is here, and we've got some little extras as well, which I'll show you in more detail, and a little card telling you what I received this month. So when you first sign up to Barry's Cactus Club, you will receive this collector's manual in your box, and in here you will see there's little cutouts ready to put your cards in. So then you have a reference of all the plants that you've got and how to look after them, save you like keeping your cards hanging around the place. So I really like that. I thought that was a really good idea. It says here, Barry's Cactus Club was created by plant lovers for plant lovers. Barry is a real life cactus who can't wait to introduce you to some of his prickly pals. Each month you'll receive a cute new cacti or succulent, and this book will help you keep track of them. Simply slot in the info card you'll receive with each new plant friend. There's enough little slots here for 12 months or 12 cards, depends on how often you subscribe. It says share your plant pals with us at Barry's Cactus Club on Instagram. I'll go for the added extras first. I'll get to the plant last. So the second thing in the box is cactus food. We've got 100 mils here of cactus food. So what can I tell you? Compound liquid fertilizer containing calcium oxide with trace elements. I haven't got a clue how to look after a real cactus. Haven't got a clue. But it says here, mix 5 ml of cactus food per litre of clean water. Feed plants every 2 weeks during growing season. See info card for each plant for growing season. Okay. Feed occasionally during winter. Water is necessary between feeds. And it just says keep out of reach of children. They've also given me a little pin badge, which I thought was really, really cute. This is my official membership badge. So then the card telling me all about this plant. It's a sea urchin, and I'm not going to tell you what their real name is. This little guy is not as innocent as he looks. His small tufts of hair hide tiny spines. He will grow up to 8 centimetres wide and 10 centimetres tall. He's a real showstopper, producing fragrant, large white, star-shaped flowers attached to funnel-shaped tubes, 15 centimetres long. Wow, okay. Young plants can have 2 to 3 flowers in succession, while mature plants produce many flowers at the same time. Oh, so that's what it looks like there, and that's what the real name is. Okay, and yeah, caring for your plant then. It's got the information on the back there. Water used in the soak and dry method in the spring and summer. Thoroughly soak the soil, allow it to completely dry, give it another couple of days after it's dried, then repeat. He will go into dormancy in the cooler months, so keep him dry through the winter. He is at home on a sunny windowsill. Feed sparingly in the summer. I really like that. That's enough information for me to understand and not get completely bogged down with it. Oh look, you can see his little head. Okay, I'm interested in seeing what the pot is like as well. Ooh, I can't believe that this little thing can grow up to like 10 what is it? I can't remember, 10 centimetres or so. Oh, I like that pot. I really like it. Okay, Oh my gosh, this is so cute. This is so cute. Look, that's what it looks like in there. Look at that little pot. I really like that. I'm not going to touch what looks like really soft little white things. I just want to get the little pot out gently just to show you. Yeah, look, it's attaching already. I have to put this up high so that the kids don't get it. Yeah, I've got to be careful because there's some soil coming out there. But look at that. How cute is that? And it fits just nicely in there. Oh, I'm really chuffed with that. Really happy. I'm just going to gather everything up that I was sent. So besides my cactus and the pot, they sent me a membership badge, some cactus food, an information card on how to care for my cactus, and because it was the first time I subscribed with them, they sent me this little folder there so I can keep these cards. As well as subscribing, you can send this as a gift, and I do think that if someone bought me this, I'd be really chuffed with it. I just think it's so cute. I can't wait to see how it grows. I really hope I can look after this. I really hope. If you've got any tips on how to look after succulents and cactuses, as well as what's written here, please let me know in the comments. I think it's lovely. But the thing is it worth £15? I think for me personally, that hasn't got a clue on plants unless they're fake, really. I think for £15 I'm quite happy with it. I think it's really lovely to have something come through the post that is something like this once a month, or even just once every month, or do it like every 3 months or so maybe. I'm gonna have to see what else is out there as well to see whether I would stick to this subscription or not. But yeah, as always, I'd love to know your thoughts. What do you think of the subscription? Do you subscribe to Barry's Cactus Club? All your thoughts and opinions I'd love to know, even if you think this is not for you. But I hope you enjoyed watching. If you did, it'd be lovely if you give me a big thumbs up. And if you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel for lots more videos to come. So take care and I'll speak soon. Bye.